Preview.
Hey Parikshit, so what are we going to draw today?
We are going to draw.
Sith Trooper from Star Wars.
Yeah.
Sith Trooper from Star Wars.
Yeah.
What do we need?
Black
We need a black sketch pen,
paper, scissors,
a white
color,
paper and something to color.
Let's
start drawing.
This Star Wars character is full of red.
Yeah. So now
Let's start with the helmet.
Yes. Let's make two straight lines. Okay. Now, inside this, let's make two lines like this. Okay. Little curved. Once we are done with that, we will now making it like this. Sorry.
It's looking like something else.
Okay. Similarly, we make a line here.
These guys are super cool. Right, Papa?
Yes. And we merge in the center, something like this. Okay.
Like this?
Very good. Now let us make the eyes part of it. That also looks similar. Okay. Very good. Now let's make the body part of it. Two straight lines again, and then we make a line like this and this side, and then cover it up. Very good. Right, Parikshit?
Yep.
Next is
This type of a funny drawing also.
some small line. So these are the done. Let's make some lines over here and some lines over
He
here.
looks like a robot.
Yes. Okay.
Have you played Sky Wars?
No, I have not. Now I'll make the legs.
It's kind of a robot.
Yes, this one looks like a robotic character.
I think he's a robotic character.
Yes.
No, he's not a robotic character. And Star Wars, there is no robots.
On the hands. That should be a big one.
It's looking like vampire. Your hands are looking like vampire.
And now we will draw some lines over here so that it looks like the character, because everything is gonna be black.
Black
Sorry,
and
red. Everything is going to be red.
Only some things are going to be black.
Yes. Now let's do the black color part. If
you love this drawing, do like and subscribe my channel to see more of these videos.
And in the next drawing, we would be drawing an Ewok from starboard once again.
Yeah.